Help me!
When your dog is used to being the center of attention.
The dog witnessed the sweet moment between the bride and groom and decided they shouldn't be the only ones hugging one hug for everyone. Opportunities don't wait. Nothing is more important than diving straight into that delicious piece of cake. Life is all about choosing wisely.
Stealth mode activated, except for the part where everyone can still see him.
I got you, homie!
Pretty sure he'll think twice before walking into glass doors again.
It's his first time walking on snow, so he's a bit confused and hasn't adapted yet.
I'm having a temper tantrum and I don't know why. What? What's wrong?
I was ripping my panties off.
I'll keep you here no matter what, even if it means ripping your pants. Nothing is more important than having you stay.
Aww, you're so cute.
Just looking at his expression is enough to see how much he loves this toy. This Christmas, take some time to take your dog out to see the street lights.
Teddy, I'm here for movie night. Coming in. Oh, Teddy, what are we watching tonight? Oh, The Grinch. Every time we watch The Grinch, you make me do the same thing, and it is humiliating. Fine, we can watch The Grinch. Jeez. Are you happy? You get your way every time. Bruh.
This is my favorite snowman. You can also call him a snow pup.
So cute!
Yeah, I gave Milo his present.
He's opening it by himself.
Yeah, he knows it's his.
Mom,
She got Milo.
It doesn't matter what's inside the gift, he just loves unwrapping presents.
Way to go, buddy. What you got? Oh, that's it? You just wanted to rip the paper? You don't care about the toy?
Nope.
One.
Nope.
Two.
Nope.
Have you ever met a dog with OCD? He has some issues with his steps and has been doing this his whole life. I bet the dog's barking is scolding its owner for making it worry.
What are you doing?
Nope.
There.
There's nothing here. I'm just lying down and resting.
Huh?
I I understand how they feel when their sleep is disrupted, so it's understandable that they get angry.
It's so cute, Pop. Let me see you smile. Oh, it's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, Pop. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome. Let me see you smile. Yeah. A pretty smile.
This dog has such a great smile, doesn't it?
Let me see you smile. Yeah, it's a cute smile.
Can someone please help me explain to him that this cake is not edible?
Huh? Huh? Nope.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Stop it.
Their friendship began with the smallest acts of kindness.
Hey, what happened?
My dog's funny reaction to a pretend sneeze.
That's gross. Put your hand over your nose and mouth like this. I don't like your snot sprayed in my face. Okay.
Oh, that's too sweet.
Showing love to its owner is normal, but honestly, its eyes are only focused on the cake you're holding.
When your dog don't play about you.
What is that?
Get your ball. Let's go outside. Let's go. Get your ball. Come on. Get your ball. Get your ball. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on.
This dog clearly knows that toys are best friends. No matter how busy it gets, it will never abandon its companion.
You got it.
Grr. Huh?
You're so cute. Oh, look at the croissant. Oh, look at Ringo.
If you plan to get a bulldog, make sure everything in your house is low enough for him to climb onto easily.
Call your dog without actually calling your dog.
Hello! Maybe this is how this little dog seeks warmth and affection. It seems like their passion for balls disappears underwater, or maybe they simply don't know what to do next.
Boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
If one day you don't have time to take your dog for a walk, try this method instead. A perfect combination always creates a perfect performance. Among the three dogs, try guessing which one is real and which ones are stuffed toys.
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
Wow!
His owner is getting tired of his endless demands. Who wants to try being this dog's personal servant?
Show me your pet is clingy without telling me your pet is clingy.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Now that's how you make sure nobody touches your snacks.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Looks like he's not quite ready to let his sister go just yet.
Look at my son. Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
Stop, leave it alone. It's the last time I'm lighting it. It's not a game, it's my candle. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Woohoo! Every time.
When your dog hears Dad say he likes plants,
No, why she got treated?
And I work like a dog, day and night, living off of coffee from a pot.
when you mix loyalty, confusion, and cardio into one perfect loop.
Easy. Huh?
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? What are you looking for, Turbo?
Alright. Oh my God!
Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Help! Help me!
Are you kidding me?
What is that?
Annie.
What the
Oh my God.
Oh my human. Did you know food tastes 10 times better when you share it?
Okay, we're going and jumping. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's try again.
Is that the shape telling you off?
Oh, well, well. Looks like we've just discovered a new species of bird with 4 legs.
Get out of that place! Get out of my wall, Richard! Get out of the train!
Bruh.
You're ridiculous.
This is how men take care of babies. They might be a bit clumsy, but they're really trying their best. Hey, Mom, I think something's wrong with those 2 animals. This is the difference between a 4-wheel drive swimmer and a front-wheel drive swimmer.
No, 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 no. Not now. Not ever.
Huh?
Fix the ball.
No. Hey, fix that paw. What? You know better. Fix the paw.
Nope. Straighten that paw.
Bruh.
Straighten that paw. It's cringeworthy. You know that.
It seems like he had a really tough workout today. How does it feel when you have to share your man with other loves? It's helplessness. And then you realize you'll be the third wheel in this relationship.
Can I have the butt? Oh, okay. Can I have the butt?
Nope.
No? Okay.
You have no reason to touch your man anymore because now he belongs to your dog.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles. Cause I'm all alone.
Okay, you can see how excited the little dog is now that the person it loves the most has finally returned. Every time he sees him, the dog jumps up as if he just met a celebrity, and she just stands there like an uninvited spectator.
I love you. I love you.
The dog's jealousy is undeniable, but thankfully, she still has some composure. Now you'll have to compete for your husband's affection, not just with one person, but with two. Everyone will become the princess of their loved ones. A kiss and without me? A kiss and without me? This dog has found the best spot to lie down. The dog loves her dad very much. After a long afternoon, she snuggled up to share some love. It may look like that, but in reality, they care for each other a lot. Since getting the Christmas decoration figurine, the little dog seems to have found its soulmate. The Christmas tree will never be safe with mischievous dogs like this. This dog is even more dazzling than a Christmas tree. So adorable. If your dog isn't lit, did you even decorate? Would you accept this Christmas gift if it were dropped down the chimney?
What, you want one of those? Go ahead, grab one. Pick one, grab it. Whatever one you want. Grab one toy. You want that one? Okay.
Although it's not exactly opening gifts on the holiday itself, he still gets to pick his own Christmas present.
It's pretty little baby.
Huh? What is that?
Are you able to start it?
I know it's got gas in it. I smelled it this morning.
Oh.
Come on, baby, let's go.
I guess he just wants to have a nap.
Bruh. Give me a hell yeah. What? What?
What is that? Miralche. Hello?
Oh, Christmas dog, I love you 'cause you are a dog.
If you also think his Christmas outfit is beautiful, leave a 1 in the comments below this video. This is so unfair.
Buddy was looking sad, so I gave him his own Christmas tree. Like with all new things, he wasn't sure about it at first. But then he decided that he definitely didn't like it. And then something horrible happened. The tree fell, and well, let's just say, Buddy wasn't happy.
Hey. Hello?
This guy just wants to remind his owner that it's petting time. I think the girl might be jealous that she can't shrink down to be cuddled like that.
Nope. Nope.
Have you been petting other dogs? I smell something strange on you. Does anyone want to receive this warm welcome?
Hi. How are you?
Luna, helado. Luna, helado. Luna. Luna. Luna.
This dog is proving that there's no one named Luna in this house. Just a cute puppy who loves to be petted.
Luna. Luna.
Huh?
If he doesn't go, I won't go either.
Bruh.
I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner. I used to love that shit.
On
boy.
coke?
Huh?
On coke?
On anything, boy. I fucking love.
This trio of brothers is ready to perform in any show.
Hey, Jackie. Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath?
Hell no. To the no, no, no.
You want to take a bath?
No doubt about it, this is definitely his favorite song.
Who left the mirror bone right in front of the door?
Yeah, baby.
Oh my gosh!
What is that? What is that? What is that?
He just always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He's funny as hell though, but if he know you type.
Now that's one weird goose. They never leave each other's side, even in their busiest times like this. So there's no reason for you to interfere in their relationship. When you realize you're no longer the most important person to this dog.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
This dog looks even more excited than its owner. They're such a cute pair.
Not very affectionate. Did you have a good day? Did you get lots of naps and treats?
You are my best friend. If I'm dying, you dying with me. Ain't no choice. No!
That's on my fucking stomach.
Whether yesterday, today, or tomorrow, they're still willing to be each other's shadow.
The neighbor's making an effort to get the two dogs back home after they escaped, and it seems this isn't the first time he's faced this situation. The homeowner should definitely send him a heartfelt thank you for his enthusiastic help.
Come on, Rose, the door's open. Come on. Come on, honey, come on.
This dog seems to really enjoy getting into his crate, but then he gets stuck out of fear and can't get out. Although the progress in resolving the situation is only 0.1%, the dog's excitement level is definitely 110%. I don't know what this dog is dreaming about, but it looks like his dream must be extremely dramatic and intense. The dog now feels like the victim of a terrible prank and blames his owner. Like, I can clearly see this was a plan to take me down, right? He looks absolutely thrilled with the service at this barbershop and would definitely give it a 5-star review. From the dominant one, the dog instantly turned into an honorary member of the Shy Club with just one little scare from the cat.
Infaltable el cachupín en la cancha del puri.
This might be the only overly enthusiastic fan in the world who hasn't been kicked out by security, but instead was personally taken to safety by a player. The dog clearly cannot handle the grandparent's sweetness, so he's become the president of the Personal Space Protection Club, determined to block every romantic kiss.
Huh?
I think we've caught a thief here, but this thief seems a bit clueless.
We do not care.
Well, there's only one enemy, so we only need one hero, right?
What is that?
Those eyes are screaming, "Dad, pay attention to me."
What are you doing?
Most people shower after the workout. He's doing both at once.
Where are you going sitting like that? Oh.
Why you bullying me?
You scared. This little laugh.
Huh? I think he needs his own personal chef right now.
Hell yeah!
Is that Daddy? Hi.
I know that when you come home, you're all warmly greeted by your family dogs, but has anyone ever tried a special dance with their dog? Sometimes dogs are just exhausted by life and simply want to be pampered.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Do you feel like this is some sort of ritual and the sheep are participating in the ceremony? There will be two types of dogs in the world when facing this trick.
I'm sorry about this.
Use that string, mate.
This dog has flaunted its confident strides, and it's clear it's very proud of the stick it just found.
Oh, hello there.
Maybe this is how this little dog seeks warmth and affection. And it's the same in this conflict, although it seems that the small size of this dog also makes it a target for bullying. Behind every strong woman is a dog that follows her everywhere, yes, even to the bathroom.
Hello.
It's okay. I don't think you can fit in there, buddy. You want to stay right there? Okay.
Are you afraid of thunder? If so, you found a buddy. This dog is also terrified of thunder, and every time he hears it, he immediately looks for a place to hide.
Are you okay, buddy? Yeah?
Mamaya siya food. Kanaya ibayad dahon.
When realizing that people need money to buy food, this dog came up with the idea of using leaves to trade for food. This boy doesn't let the fence stop him from playing fetch with his new friend, the neighborhood dog.
Norman, get up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get up. Over here. Come on. Let's go. Why'd you wrap yourself in the blanket? Let's go. Come on. We're gonna go.
Congratulations, you've just witnessed the actions of a giant squirrel.
Oh yeah, you want a tree, huh? You want a puppuccino, is that right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want one right now? Okay.
This dog is ordering himself a cappuccino. What would you like to drink?
He did it the other day and was that.
You can count on me.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
This is me when I wake up at 7 a.m. and I think he needs a nap.
Come on, I know you want to.
The dog gets excited watching The Lion King. Clearly, it's not just us, but even pets feel thrilled by this dramatic performance.
Come to me, son. Jump.
Nothing can hide this dog's excitement when it's time for his favorite show to air.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Who says dogs can't smile? Then what is this smile?
What you doing, man? What you doing, man?
Kind of know everything that means.
Hearing the snoring and seeing the sleeping position, it's clear that the dog has had a tiring day. Looks familiar, right? That dog looks just like a secret agent in black.
No.
As long as these two are alone, they can create laughter for each other. A broad daylight food heist.
Daisy!
Okay, and how can the dog jump so high?
Daisy!
The dog must be thinking it's having a weird but joyful moment in its life. The best customer service I've ever seen. A way to keep a dog and a man busy. Do you have a better idea?
Jameson, let Mama work. Let Mama work. Quit closing my laptop. You are sassy.
I'm sorry I couldn't submit my homework
Jameson,
because my dog
let
got
Mama
bored of
work.
me doing it.
Let Mama work. Quit closing my laptop.
I understand.
He regretted the slide right as it was happening. I had no idea dog toys had gotten this high tech. This is what happens when you have a wise older sister. Have you ever seen a dog drink water in such a weird way?
Gonna go for a walk?
You don't often see someone this thrilled just to go for a walk. How long will it take for humans to finally understand her Morse code? It's a buffet every time the golden retriever gets a food refill. Thanks. That was a truly chilling experience for my neck. At least the dog has no intention of waking you up.
Give him one. It's for Picky. Picky.
Evie?
The little dog can't see or hear, but he definitely listens and finds his way through the pack to his bed.
Evie?
You can literally see the moment he gives up on life.
You're alive! Yeah!
He looks like he doesn't want to live anymore.
Yeah, are you ready? You're alive! Yeah! Yeah, you made it!
And from that moment on, he would never sleep with his parents again.
Ándale, se está poniendo para que le cante. Güey, pero ¿cómo parece que si viene para que le cante, verdad?
Can I say this dog has a musical soul? He just can't resist when the music starts playing.
Sigue cantando. Mari.
I wish I could get my dog into the bath this easily.
You're a brat.
Yes, he's just a kid who loves being held by his mom.
Yeah, you.
Everything is under his control.
You know what happened? Bella, you know what happened to the meat? Hey, tell me.
Guilty dogs are hilarious because deep down, they know there's nothing you can do about it.
Are you a good dog? Oh, are you a bad dog?
I wish I had a controller with a finger wetting and relaxation mode like this. This is how a fluffy dog gets excited when her favorite person comes home. He thinks he's a duckling too.
Nope.
Chef? Oh, Ellie, it's gonna be good. We're cooking up something spicy in the kitchen.
Living in pure luxury, refuses to eat kibble unless it's been gourmet prepped by the chef.
Oh boy, it's good stuff now.
The bow tie makes the dog look so much more elegant.
Come on, Augie, go to the back. Come on, Augie. Move.
Oh.
Augie. William, I guess you're going to be sitting in the back.
Looks like someone's already called dibs on the front seat, and sharing clearly isn't on his mind.
I'm not going to the back. I can't sit anywhere. Go. I'm going to open this door and beat you.
This bro was so embarrassed to be filmed. The awkwardness totally made him mess up. A bright smile to start the walk of the day. His head says fight, but his body says flight. Clearly, he was a cat in his past life.
You've just scratched me. You've just... No, you have. No. You have just hurt me.
And Shay, if you still think pit bulls are the most aggressive dogs in the world, this dog will change your mind.
Axel, get out the window.
Like a mysterious neighbor, he's trying to see what's going on in his neighborhood.
And this is what you call nosy. Axel.
No, he won't. He might jump, but then he'll be fine by the time he gets over there.
I think every mom needs a wonderful dog like this.
Watch yourself. Alright, Simba, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. If you liked our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.